In this guide, I'll show you how to fix stick drift on your PS5 controller. Now, what you want to do is press down and push your analog stick to the border, and this is going to create a gap on the opposite side. Now, what you want to do with some compressed air, I have Dust Blaster here, is to spray into the gap that's been created, and you want to work around the entire circumference of your analog stick. Now, this is an attempt to remove any dirt, dust, or debris that's gotten in there and test out your controller and see if it's better. Now, another thing you can try is to press down on both of your analog sticks. Then you want to work around the border in a clockwise rotation and do this about 3 to 4 times. Then you want to press down again and go counterclockwise a couple of rotations, and then you want to test your controller again to see if the stick drift has improved. Now, another thing you want to do at some point is to actually take apart your controller, because you can do this as needed, the steps I showed you, but ultimately if you want to fix stick drift in the longish term, so we're talking a couple months, is to actually take apart your controller and clean the inside. This video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.